What's the matter, honey? Nothing. Are you sure you look sad? No, I'm okay. Come on, tell me what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong, Grandma. I just feel kind of sad. Did you have breakfast? No. You want me to make you some eggs? Yeah, that'd be nice. Okay, I'll make you some eggs. Thank you, Grandma. That's okay. Okay, Boozhoo. Boozhoo ni Jean Shnabedog. I'm not feeling it today. I'm not feeling very happy. I'm Nimaanendam. I'm sad. That's our word for today. Nimaanendam. And I guess I don't know. Sometimes I get the blues. You know what I could do? Maybe I should play the blues. Want to hear the blues a little bit? Okay. I'll play the blues and that might cheer me up. Alright, let's try this. Why don't you get a close-up on my hands? Okay, maybe I can play the blues. Maybe that'll cheer me up. Let's try this. What can I say? I got the blues today. Oh, what can I say? I got the blues today. Oh, I never wrote a blues song until I felt this way. Okay. I know, I guess I do feel a little better. Hey, honey, your eggs are ready. Already? Okay. I'll be right in there, Grandma. Okay. Nimbuck a day. I'm hungry. Okay, then. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go eat some breakfast. So, yeah. We're today what is today? Nimaanendam. Nimaanendam. Means I'm happy. I guess I'm happy now. Nimaanendam. I'm happy. Nimaanendam. I'm sad. Okay, Gigawaba, man. I'll see you later.